In House 1, Harry and Tash decided on 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a study. This week they'll be doing 1 bedroom and the bathroom. Their bedroom is designed for a teenage boy with an adult-sized bed, a study area and Kingsman wardrobe. Their bathroom will feature large format marble tiles contrasted with smaller subways and a timber-fronted vanity. George and Sarah in the 1940s house have the tallest true core rear extension on the block, clad in Colorbond surf mist mat. This week in the upstairs extension, they're doing a teenage bedroom with graphico wall print and a queen bed styled in gender-neutral shades of grey. The grey, white and black theme flows through into the next-door bathroom, which features a curved-edge mirror above a double vanity and freestanding bath. South Australian farming couple Daniel and Jade have divided their first-floor extension into 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and a study, making it the only house with 3 bedrooms upstairs. If all goes to plan, they'll present a girl's bedroom themed in earthy tones of peach and tan, a boy's bedroom with a feature wallpaper inspired by the starry night sky, and a gender-neutral bathroom with a double vanity and black tapware.
We flipped our floor plan this week. So on the plan, there was a smaller space allocated for a bathroom. We flipped it to the other side of the hallway, which allowed us to make it an ensuite as well as service the upstairs bedroom. And a bigger window, more light.
There'll be a freestanding bath in front of a full-length window and a nod to the 1910s theme of their house in the wood-panelled vanity and arched mirrors. The parents of 2 plan a jungle-themed kids' bedroom with built-in bunk bed, a hanging egg chair and plenty of toy storage.
Our roof this week in the bathroom is a little bit more technical.
The ceiling had a lot of different lines because we've got the big wedge tail on our roof.
This spectacular architectural feature is in their bathroom. They plan to highlight it in white with a 50s vibe, supplied by terrazzo tiles on the floor and walls, and a big white bath as a centrepiece.